Meet Zainul Adhi PK, a visionary +1 computer science student from Kozhikode, Kerala, whose journey from challenges to innovation is nothing short of inspiring. A voracious reader across genres, Zainul thrives in Malayalam speeches and debates, showcasing his knack of powerful expression. Aspiring to be a trainer who motivates millions, he combines futuristic thinking with a passion for sports, excelling as a football goalkeeper and badminton enthusiast. Today, he is here to unveil his dream project. Join Zainul Hadi as he takes the stage to present My Journey from Challenges to Innovations, a story of resilience, creativity, and a drive to inspire change.
Good morning, everyone. Standing here feels so right. But not long ago, I was a kid who often mocked for dreaming big and daring to think differently and speaking about ideas that seemed impossible. But today, as a proud and determined to share my vision with all of you. Myself, I'm Zainul Adhi. I'm a student of Hillsinai Finishing School, and it's an absolute honor to speak to you as a part of HillX Buzz Talk. Let me start with a little story that deeply moved me. A few days ago, I read about a tragic landslide at Churundala that claimed 231 lives and left countless and homeless. The thought of families losing everything in a blink of an eye. My heart broke. I kept imagining about fathers, mothers, and children whose lives were over for shelter. This tragedy reminded me a bad incident in my life, on my childhood. I battled a serious illness that left my love for my body immobile for a while. I still remember the disappear in my mother's eyes. She carried those during dark times. Thank you, Mom. You're always in my heart. These memories ignited me to create something meaningful, something who could save lives during disasters. And how the idea DM or Defense Master was born. Imagine a pentagon-shaped temporary shelter that could activate during disasters. It's just not a surviving, it's a occupied life with sustaining essential food, oxygen, and a small medical setup and a GPS tracker directly connected to emergency service. And the shelters housed systematically in garages located high-risk areas. They can ensure deployed quickly during disasters. In the moment, in every seconds, DM shelters could know the difference between life and death. And now, I know what you're thinking. This is a massive project. It's about to be expensive. Yes, you are absolutely right. The cost of design, logistic and infrastructure would be significant, easily exceeding 300 crore. But if there is will, there is always a way. This kind of project didn't afford to poor people. To that, I propose a community insurance EMI model. The family can contribute a small amount monthly to fund the project. There is a catch. If the family doesn't use the shelter for 5 years, we will refund the money. This model for safety, not a privilege. It makes everyone play a part in ensure no one left behind the disaster. Now, some of you wonder, Adhi, you are just a +1 student. Can you really make this happen? Did you know Zomato, India's leading food delivery app, started with the 2 friends struggling for food? Today's a lifeline of millionaires. Similarly, Elon Musk faced countless rejection before his ideas shaped industries like SpaceX, Tesla. I draw inspiration from those stories. They prove there is a commitment and a courage. Everything is possible. Yes, I failed along the way, but I didn't stop trying. To those who call me a show, I say this. It's easy to criticize, but that's make a courage to dream. That's make a courage to act on those dreams. I dream a future for Kerala. Today is the world seen as a developing nation. We have to grow to our hub of innovation. Today, we and you proudly say, I am from India. I am from Kerala. And I'm living with a thought. Dream big, act boldly. No one can stop you. I believe we will meet soon in our celebration of DM, not as a drawing, as a dream. Thank you.